Hi everyone, it's Susie here with Paper Crafting by Suzanne. And today I have an Etsy shop update. I've decided to bundle pieces of ephemera in groups of 12, and it's going to be a variety of different pieces. You'll find pockets, tags, library pockets, envelopes, just a whole variety of things. And so I'll show you what they'll look like in my shop in groups of 12. So the first item would be, like, this is a double envelope with a journaling card inside. And it's got some vintage distressed lace. And then you flip this up and there's a second pocket with another journaling card. Then it just flips down and it lays nice and flat. There's some butterflies down here and a cup there. Is there only one? Yeah, and just an epoxy drop for some little bit of added feature. So that would be part of the first group, and then I'll go back and show you what all is involved or entailed that you would get. And then the second piece, this would be a double fold journaling pocket or journaling card. And it has got a flower fairy on the top with some vintage tickets and vintage stamps up here. And I have inked around the edges. You open it up and have a journaling spot there and a journaling card there. Then you would just, you could use the back for journaling, but that would mean you'd have to clip it in your journal. Or you could just glue it flat and just use these two pieces for journaling. And here we have, it's a quad fold journaling card, journaling pullout. Not pullout, but journaling fold. So it's got a tuck in closure at the top like that. Open it and then it opens. Oh, this is not quad fold. This is just bifold. I have some that are quad. This one's bi with some coffee stain paper inside. It's just kind of a fun little interesting piece with the fun. I like these closures like this. And so that's that. And then here we have a library pocket with a fussy cut flower image, a vintage stamp, vintage lace with a pull-out journaling card. And then here we have a double-sided wallet. And you open this up and you've got a folded journaling piece right there. Or whatever you want to do. You could add your own ephemera to that, or you could journal on it or put a photo on it. It closes and then you turn it over and it's got a back pocket with another journaling spot there. I had fun coordinating these papers. Okay, and it's got the pretty rose ribbon on the bottom there. This is a bigger piece. It's got a vintage doily. It's actually a folded file folder with two pockets. And it's got a journaling page there. And it's got a journaling page here. And with this, you can either, let's see, you could use it, you could adhere it like this, so it would be a flip out, like so. Or you could do it like, let's see, you could leave it open like this and just use the one side. Or you could fold it in like that and have that, and you have this to decorate or journal on. Open it, have your journaling card in here, open it again and have one here, and then you could do what you want here. So this is a pretty versatile piece. This is usually about the size that most people use for their journals. It's, let's see, 6 by 9, but you could actually use this as a, just stitch it in your journal right here. This could be like the outer page, or it's sturdy enough it could actually be a journal cover. So I think that's really pretty. And then we have, since I showed you part of, no, I'm not going to add that to that one. Here we have a handmade envelope out of old book plate with some fussy cut bird image on a limb and some fabric. And inside is a journaling card with some vintage sheet music. It's a smaller piece. Let's see. Here we have a bifold journaling card with a vintage lady cut from a magazine and some fussy cut flowers. Open it up to a journaling spot. And then we would have, let's mix it up a little bit, a pocket with a fussy cut flower, again inking around the edges, and a pull-out journaling card. That one's single. So you can tell the items kind of vary. And then just here we have a tag with a decorative edge, some epoxy drops, some vintage sheet music, and the back side for journaling. And you can put these in your own pockets. You can use them as is, whatever you want. Okay, and then we have, this is a double fold policy. Would you call it double fold policy pocket? But this one's a little different. This one has a flip out with a pocket here, a little collage on the side, and this one with a pocket here and a journaling card inside. And then you just flip it over and flip these up, and you just glue it on, and you've got a pocket and an envelope inside this, which is kind of fun. There's different ways of doing those. 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I've got one more for this lot. So here we have a paper bag that's made out of vintage book plate from a furniture design magazine or catalog. Some vintage postage stamps, fussy cut birds, and then a pull-out tag that is, it's a fold over. It's tied with cheesecloth, and it is coffee dyed. And is that 12? Let's see. This is what, so this is an example of what you would get in your package. You'd get those two, a tag, a pocket, a bifolded journaling spot, envelope, this big piece with the doily that could be used actually as a cover or inside your journal. Either way, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have the wallet with the double-sided wallet with the 2 journaling spots. The library card here. The bifold tuck here. The bifold with a fabric pocket inside. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then you have the really pretty and dainty double flip over envelope. So that would be one example of what you would get in a variety pack of embellishments. And there's a lot of detail to these and a lot of work involved. And at the price point I'm going to list them at, it's very affordable, a really good way, if you don't have very many pieces, a really good way to start your journaling adventure. Just to get a couple of items, you know, to start your journal, period. Okay, the next set also, here we go. This one is a large double-sided journaling card. This one measures 5 3/4 by 9 1/2. And it's a little window envelope. Opens up to the journaling card. So there's one. Put it somewhere else where I don't want to confuse my... This is an envelope, a pretty envelope with some old newsprint with a pull-out journaling card. And then you flip it over and there's a pocket here with a pull-out journaling card. And you could use this, like I was showing you last time, you could use it, you could either clip it into the side with a paper clip, or you could use this as a hinge, like say right here, and then you'd flip it out and you'd have both sides available to you. So that's the second one. Here is a, I can't remember, I made this so long ago. Oh, it's just a window card. It's a window card with a pull-out tag. That's really quite pretty. It's got some gilding on here. And then a little washi tag. This is one of those matchbook tucks. That's a double tuck. Here. This would be fun for fall. And then we have a tag with some fun vintagey paper and a fun topper right here. Double wallet to open, and there's journaling, double journaling spot there, and you flip it over, and the same thing back there. I keep losing count. And then you would get, see, I tried to make it so every package would have a variety. This is another sack with a pull-out journaling card and a fussy cut bird there. Let's see. And then here we have, these are really fun to make if you haven't made the blooming pockets. The flowers are overflowing from the top. And then it's got 2 journaling cards inside. And most of my pieces have been inked or coffee stained. And then let's see. No, we won't do that one like this one. Got another tag. Just some vintage book plate. You turn it over and you got a nice journaling spot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 3 more pieces. Here we have a library pocket, and it's got a little tiny pocket on the front with a journaling spot, and then this journaling card inside. And I dropped a piece. Let's see here. Okay. Just a pretty tag with a fussy cut bird and flower image here. And then a smaller library card. It's got a little tiny tag, vintage button, and piece of lace with 2 tags inside and some vintage lace below. I think that's 12. So this package would look like this. I'm not saying this is exactly how they're going to be, but it'll be close to this. Very close. Tags. We've got the blooming pocket. We've got the sack. Double-sided wallet. A tag. And then the matchbook enclosed journaling card. The window pocket with a tag. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we've got this double-sided pocket. It's got an envelope with a pocket on one side and the journaling card on this side. And then we've got the bigger bifold journaling spot with the window here. So that would be what one might look at. What you will have to do is when you go into my Etsy, just scroll through the pictures, and with 12, I'll picture them all and then I'll individually photo them, but I think you only get 10 pictures. So I might put 2 in one photo so you get to see all of what you're getting. Okay. And these aren't added yet, but I'm going to, and I have enough to do, oh gosh, a couple of more at least. I mean, several more. So they're just going to be called Variety, maybe should it be Variety Starter Pack of Ephemera. And you'll get 12 pieces of either bifolds, envelopes, pockets, tags. It could be a variety of things, but that's just an example. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll go visit my shop, and I hope you're having a good weekend. Today's Sunday, so have a good week, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.